Oakland Reads Introductory Workshop. Welcome families! We are excited to share this free public resource with you all. In this presentation, we will be covering 3 important pieces of what makes the Oakland Reads website so special. We will begin with an introduction to the website. Next, we will cover why a parent would want to use Oakland Reads to support student growth at home. And lastly, we will demonstrate how to navigate the website through a step-by-step guide to the different pages on the menu. What is Oakland Reads? Oakland Reads is an online resource hub for families and partners to use to support children's literacy development at home to help students on their journey to become strong readers. As a project of the Oakland Literacy Coalition, this free public platform is intended to be a bridge between adults who spend time with students out of school that are in need of more information about how reading works, what reading skills students are learning, and what to do if you are feeling that your child is struggling with reading. Why use Oakland Reads as a parent? We want our kids to develop the reading skills they need to do well in school and access life's opportunities. You have a powerful role in supporting your child's success in partnership with their teacher and other community resources. The purpose behind Oakland Reads was to create a central resource that anyone can access. The site aligns with Oakland Unified School District milestones, which are based on California literacy standards, but it's broadly applicable for students in any school setting. We have customized the website to meet a range of needs from parents or guardians interested in having deeper and targeted conversations at teacher conferences to those who want to try activities at home with your child. Based on your interests, you can use this workshop as a parent or guardian, and in this section we will discuss the features that may be the most useful to families. For parents and guardians, we recommend navigating the website by age/grade level milestones, resources for concerned families, and reading with children. Age/grade level milestones. Want to compare your child's academic progress but are unsure of how they should be performing at a certain age/grade level? Not to worry. On this page there are guides for what reading and writing should look like from kindergarten through 5th grade. Select your child's grade level to learn more about each milestone of development. To further support your child outside of school, there are also resources on this page specifically for English language learners, and many milestones link to reading skill pages with activities and tips. Resources for concerned families. As the expert on your child, we encourage families to be vocal about any concerns you may have. This page is a helpful starting point for parents and families who are concerned that their child is struggling and needs additional help. We know that the wait and see if they catch up approach can put children further behind. There are tips on how to talk to your child's doctor or teacher about your concerns, information about the process to determine whether a child is eligible for special education services. Other valuable resources and information on this subpage are further categorized by age, such as ages 0 through 4, ages 5 and above, and dyslexia. Reading with children. Regardless of their age or reading level, all children benefit from being read to, either by an adult in person, audiobooks, or videos of read-alouds. On the Reading with Children subpage, you can browse through a selection of videos and examples of how to support students by reading with them, including strategies to help them sound out words, ask questions to help them understand what they're reading, and more. Another important feature of this section are the story time videos that include quality read-alouds to listen to at home or on the go. Click on the underlined titles to view the different videos available. Now that we've shown you the 3 main categories to explore the website as a parent or family member, we have 2 other parts of the website we would like to recommend for your use. The other way to explore the site is through the Reading Skills Overview. You can access this page from the home page or the main menu. Here, you can find information about the skills that research has shown students need to become successful readers. At the top, there's an explanation of how these skills build upon each other to help students learn how to read. Clicking on each skill will open the list of matching activities and videos that explain more about the reading skill and how to support it at home. News. The news section of the website is the place to find up-to-date information and new resources. Check back here for updates. Thank you for taking a moment of your day to see how Oakland Reads can help you support your child's reading success. There's lots more to explore, and we hope that you'll spend some time checking it out and using the Oakland Reads website to learn more and support your child.